In front of me is HTC U12 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration settings. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Sound. Then click on Sound Profile and select Vibrate if you wish to mute your device completely and leave only vibrations. Now you can click on this switcher next to Also Vibrate Vocals to enable or disable haptic feedback for all incoming calls. When you finished, scroll all the way down, click on Advanced, and scroll down again. Then click on this switcher next to Touch Vibration to enable or disable haptic feedback for taps, keyboard, and more. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!